Hi guys, AR Malik here. Today we will learn how to use artificial intelligence in your WhatsApp. It's very quick and easy. If you are new, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's go to WhatsApp. Here is the artificial intelligence icon in WhatsApp. If it is not showing in your mobile, then update your WhatsApp. Let's go to search bar. There are already given options: rainy day, ideas, how to listen better, cook a perfect steak, dog videos, hip hop reels, recipe videos. You can search anything from here. You have to scroll down or scroll right and you can find many options. Or you can simply search by your own. Click on search bar and search anything from here. I search here top 10 YouTuber in the world. Here is the result. Top 10 most subscribed YouTubers. Here is the list of most number of subscribers. At bottom you can see the list of YouTubers by number of views. At very bottom you can see top 10 YouTubers by their earnings. You can search by your own. Let's search something else. Most watched video on YouTube. Now here is the result. The title of video is Baby Shark Dance. It has 14 billion views in 2024. You can search something else here. You can search some prompts. You have to write some prompts here and you can search many things which you want. I write a prompt here. Create a beautiful girl image standing in mountains with heavy clouds. Click on search. Now here is the result. Photo has been created. Let's open it. You can create logo or something else from here. I am going to create my YouTube channel logo. Create my channel logo name TechView 2.0. Let's search. Here is the result. The logo has been generated. You can specify dress or pick background. Now I am going to search a story, create a love story. Now the love story is being created. Here is the result. The love story has been created. You can simply translate this story into any language after going on Google Translator. You can start a storytelling YouTube channel. Like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching full video.